In this video, I'll be showing you the best Valorant crosshairs for headshots and one-taps. These crosshairs will allow you to perfect your aim and see exactly what you're shooting. First up is the oval crosshair. Set the color you want to use. I prefer to use something vibrant. Turn off outlines and center dot. Turn on inner lines. Set the inner lines to 1, 2, 2, 2, with the line length unlinked and vertical length set to 0. Turn off the movement error and firing error options. Turn on outer lines. Use 1, 0, 6, 1 with line length unlinked and vertical set to 1. Again, disable both error options. Next up, we have the 2 dots or 2 lines crosshair. Begin by choosing a color. Turn on outlines with an opacity and thickness of 1. Turn off center dot. Enable inner lines and use 1, 2, 2, 4. Unlink line length and set vertical length to 0. You can adjust the thickness to 3 or 4 to turn the dots into lines if you like. Disable both error options and keep the outer lines turned off. Next is a cross. Choose a color. I like to use purple or black. Turn off outlines and center dot. Turn on inner lines and use 1, 4, 2, 0 with the line length linked. Turn off both error options and also disable the outer lines. The next Valorant crosshair is the circle line. Select any color you like, then turn off outlines and center dot. Enable inner lines and use 1, 1, 3, 1, making sure the line length is linked. Turn off both the movement and firing error options. Turn on outer lines and use 1, 4, 1, 2 with the line length unlinked. Set the vertical line length to 0. Again, disable both error options. Next is the circle crosshair. Choose a color for your crosshair. We recommend something vibrant for this. Turn off outlines and center dot. Turn on inner lines and use 1, 1, 3, 1, making sure the line length is linked. Turn off both error options and also disable outer lines. We have made other videos on great crosshair settings for headshots and one-taps. We have included some of our favorites in the description below. Also, be sure to like and comment, letting us know what your favorite crosshair is.